WSET was founded in 1969 to provide best-in-class qualifications and education to the drinks industry. Almost 5 decades later, WSET is at the forefront of wine, spirits and sake education globally and has helped tens of thousands of students, professionals and enthusiasts achieve their study goals. We're always working to make sure that our qualifications and the exams that lead to them remain current and job relevant, equipping students with the skills and expertise they need to succeed. We are delighted to announce the launch of 3 new WSET qualifications in 2019. These are the result of extensive consultation with key stakeholders in the wine and spirits industry and mark the separation of our qualifications into 3 distinct subject matter streams: wine, spirits and sake. These qualifications will allow WSET students to learn more about these topics and in greater detail, giving more scope for specialisation. The new qualifications are the WSET Level 2 Award in Wines, which will replace the Level 2 Award in Wines and Spirits, the WSET Level 3 Award in Spirits, and the WSET Level 4 Diploma in Wines, which will replace the Level 4 Diploma in Wines and Spirits.
The WSET's Level 2 Award in Wines and Spirits is its most popular qualification. It is primarily sought by students for wine knowledge, and as such the removal of spirits will enable the focus to be on wine knowledge these students seek. The qualification continues to offer a step up from the Level 1 Award in Wines, providing a good level of knowledge for the wine enthusiast and a foundation to build on for the wine professionals starting their career. Students will be able to continue to study for the Level 2 Awards in Wines and Spirits until the end of July 2019, at which point it will be replaced with the Level 2 Award in Wines. Students who are interested in gaining knowledge in spirits can take advantage of our Level 1 and Level 2 Award in Spirits. A full list of our Level 2 course providers can be found on our Where to Study page on WSETglobal.com.
Students who have completed the Level 2 Award in Spirits will soon be able to take a Level 3 Award in Spirits. These are really exciting times for the spirits industry. There's an explosion in craft distillation, there's a growing consumer interest in the category, and our research has shown that there's a clear demand for a high-level, brand-neutral qualification. The WSET Level 3 Award in Spirits is specifically built to meet the needs both of spirits professionals and enthusiasts. The qualification is built on what's already been covered at Level 2. We will go into much greater detail about certain categories and the production choices that explain why these spirits taste the way they do. We will also be covering a much broader range of spirits, and in particular for the first time we will be covering the Asian spirits of baijiu, sochu and shochu. As with our other Level 3 qualifications, the examination will come in 2 parts. The first part will be a tasting examination where you'll be required to assess 2 samples that will be served to you blind. The second part is a written exam which will include both multiple choice questions and short written answer questions. The WSET Level 3 Award in Spirits will be available from August 2019 from selected approved programme providers. More information will be made available in early 2019 on the WSET website.
The new diploma has been designed as a market-leading qualification that will set a new global standard for wine education. It builds on the success of the current WSET Level 4 Diploma in Wines and Spirits. The new programme will improve the student experience in the study and exam cycle. It will provide expert-level subject knowledge whilst enabling the development of professional skills needed for success in the global wine business. The key changes are the removal of spirits to allow more in-depth coverage of wine, an increase in delivery time for the Wines of the World unit, a different assessment format for the foundation units, subject to new learning outcomes to enable students to really get the knowledge that they need for success in later units, and a new in-depth research assignment designed to assess the candidate's ability to research further than the WSET learning materials and evaluate new trends in wine. Graduates of both the WSET Diploma in Wines and Spirits and the Diploma in Wines will be entitled to use the DipWSET postnominal. The new diploma will be available in August 2019 through all approved diploma centres. A full list of diploma course providers can be found on the Where to Study page at WSETglobal.com.
Students who are in the process of enrolling onto the diploma or who are part-way through their studies will be automatically transferred to the new qualification after the results from the June 2019 exams are issued. All grades for exams you have passed will be automatically transferred into your record of achievement for the new diploma. This means that if you're considering starting your diploma studies, there is no reason to delay. Your course provider will be able to offer assistance and guidance during the transition.
If you'd like to find out more about WSET qualifications or find your local approved programme provider, visit WSETglobal.com.